Mom was sitting in the corner of her room in the dark. She liked to sit in the dark and read. One sat on her eyes as she was sitting while lying down. Tears were falling as she couldn't control but dying inside. Nobody was there to help her. She had enough. She left her everyone for her husband, but still he didn't love her. She loved him and he used her. But he didn't care about her. All he wanted was a rich career in his life, and what she got. And he cheated on Vine with Dad. He loved Vine, but Vine was so tough. She was ready to forgive him, even though he cheated on her many times. She started to think that she would die without him, not die without anyone. She would have been just to be with him. Now her hands were shaking as she was trying to call him, but he wasn't picking up his calls. Tension was hitting her as she was thinking that he was still with that girl. She called him 10 times, but he didn't answer. She threw herself in the corner angrily and started crying. He is with Dad. She looked at her arm and he tortured her. And her body was in pain because she got up and put ointment on her wounds and lay down while crying. She didn't eat anything because of stress and depression. She didn't want to eat anything. The next morning, man woke up and he was wearing his clothes. He was smiling. Why are you smiling? She asked. I'm thinking about how much I'm lucky to have her in my life. So what about me? Nothing. I will leave in a few months. You deserve better, and please don't start now. I'm in a good mood. She held her hand. May he never leave me. May we live like we lived a happy life before. I want to have a family, but it's looking impossible. He was so in love with him. And what about me? I will die without him. People don't care about those who love them truly. And then her best friend called her. Why are you okay? She asked. No, I'm not okay. Please come to me. I really need your help. What happened? My husband is not good for me. Really, Chantisha? And didn't he love you? Yes, but then she came. Mine was sitting here waiting for change. She was looking at the happy couple and her head started hurting after seeing them. She turned her gaze as she didn't want to remember her past when he was so in love with her. She held her hand and she always cared for her. From childhood, her life was also sarcastic. She was staring at the floor while rolling her head, but Jane entered and Vine. She said and Vine looked at her. Vine's eyes written after seeing her. She was looking so beautiful. Vine, is that really you? She asked, yes, what is wrong with you? What happened to you? Changed so much. Why have you so much scars? They said, and Vine, is it really? She asked, yes, because of her. I loved you. He loved so much, but then that girl came in between us. She's so rich and beautiful and she ruined my marriage. Yes, he also ruined it. It's not just her. If he loved you that much, then he wouldn't care. Cheat on you, and why are you still with him? Why did you throw the divorce paper on his face? Just get out of that house and start your life. No, I want to live with him. He's my love. I would feel good if we left that girl. I want to live us like a happy couple. No, she had never and sorry, falling. I don't know what to do. I'm coming up intervention day by day. I couldn't sleep at night or day. I don't want to eat anything. I'm dying from inside. I'm afraid of trying, but still something is killing me. I'm trying to stay happy, but everything damaging me that my condition got worse. My tears were falling and Jane was staring at her with shock and sadness. I cry every time. I just want to cry. I don't have anyone except him. One day when I called him, I don't want to pick up the call. And stopped and cry. Jane, I'm tired. I want to get out of this. But I will die without him. Shut up, you won't die without him. You have to do because one day he will. And also for your depression, anxiety, and no therapist, he will help you. I'll send you his number. He's so professional and people get better after his treatment. You have to fight with all this. He's really cheating on you, so forget that you loved him. He's now your biggest enemy who's ruining you. He's using you for his job. And so left him. He will get what he deserves. She came into her house and helped her to pack her stuff. After that, they would go to the court. Let's go, Jane said, and while smiling, and Ryan's heart was beating so fast she didn't want to leave that house. The memory was still roaming in her mind. And she didn't want to stay because she knew Kanta was doing wrong. At night, in Ryan's house, she was thinking about Kanta. He tried to call Ryan, but she told him that she was going to divorce her. And he was shocked. He wanted to manipulate her again by saying that he would join, but Ryan didn't listen to him. In her mind, she knew that Kanta was doing wrong with her, but she didn't have anyone who could help her to get out of her. Yes, she was strong, but Kanta made her back covertly cut. She started to think that she couldn't do anything, but now she was feeling good. Now Mom was sitting on the bed in her apartment. She left Jane's apartment. Tears were falling me questions her Kanta and his girlfriend together. They were so happy condition again started to get worse. She was looking at the number. We engaged and it was a number of that therapist. One encouraged and trusted him that she wanted to meet him. She put herself on the side and played down and thought that. My friend tell me about you. Were a therapist actually I'm going through a hard time. My mother and is not okay. I need your help. What is the name of your friend? Jane. What is your name? My name is Sean Wine. His eyes written after seeing the test. He couldn't believe that he was talking to the girl whom he had once loved. He touched her back to confirm what had you study at. It was a weird question, but man thought that a therapist asked this. Yes, I studied it. She answered that. Okay, tell me what is your problem. I will help you. My problem is that I'm suffering from depression and anxiety attacks because my husband is cheating on me. I'm leaving him, but he destroyed my mental health. I don't know why I'm becoming so cold. I was not like this before. I'm afraid of everything and everyone. I get attacks after seeing him. I just want to forget him, but I'm still in love with him. What is the name of your husband? Cancer Mission. He was my senior, and then his mess went back to him. Okay, fine. You just need to forget him. It's not that much difficult. You have to heal yourself first trying to stop yourself thinking about him. Just imagine how much he gave you mentally. But you have to forget him, man. He's not the man for you. You deserve better, and it's not good to destroy yourself for a man who destroyed you. You are dying without him, but he's happy without you. Why are you killing yourself for a man who doesn't care about you? Okay, you can give me an apartment. I want to meet you. Okay, what is your name? My name is Jason. I will help you to get out of your depression, okay? Don't tell anyone about me because we need to handle this. And you can talk with me whatever you want. He was sitting while talking with Derry. Scott came and boss Mr. Harry came to meet you. He said, well, Janko didn't listen to him, but he was so lost in texting. Boss Mr. Harry wants to meet you. He said, and Janko looked at him. What do you want now? Reason boss? So to interrupt him, Mr. Harry wants to meet you. Janko came in and Harry was sitting while holding his and she waved at him. This is a gift for you, Harry said, and Janko looked at it. You wanted this. You know, and smart suddenly said from us, well, Janko, we have to meet. He tried to give his place in business. Will you get back with me? No, never. My mom is testing me. He nodded and Janko was so eager to answer, but he didn't want to tell Harry. Why don't the other end? Why does he stop testing? Does he sleep? Elsie was feeling relaxed after talking with him. She laid and was trying what he said. She was laying not trying to think about Kento. He came back and saw her test and realized that she had slept. He sat and wanted to talk with her, but Harry didn't understand well. His words were ringing in Spanish, but what after saying that Kento abused her so much and Tristan he immediately came. Searched Kento Mishima and knew what I said. Flashback man was passing by when he smiled that she rolled her eyes and walked past by him. He stopped and why do you ignore me? He said, but walking behind her. She stopped and looked at him. So what do you want from me? How many times do I have to tell you that I'm not interested in you? You're so annoying. She entered the restaurant and banged the door in front of him. His friend started laughing and he glared at them. Ignore me as much as you want, but I will show you that I'm here. I will do everything to get your attention. He said and walked angrily while they both were in schools and were classmates. In the playground, he was playing the game, and Batman was supporting the other game just to show that she didn't care about him. The other team made them call and one cheered for them like a fangirl. His friend looked at him for she's supporting our enemy. Tell me she's also our enemy. They should stop going behind her. She's so mean. Shut up. He angrily turned and won. Flashback and then one was arranging the things and suddenly she heard a loud noise. She walked out and saw that some people were putting someone on the stretcher. He confusedly looked at the man, but his face was covered with someone waiting. So why are you okay? His voice changed so much as he was so happy because Henderson told him that the people who took it, though the paper was okay, though. Yes, I feel so good after talking. Thank you so much. I just want to meet you. Yeah, we will meet soon. My whole body starts shivering. Suddenly I get a fear in my heart. It is hurting me. Mentally, I'm dealing with so many things. I know I have to deal, but I'm trying. But I just wanted to get out of it as soon as possible. I'm tired. I know it's hard for you, but fine, you have to control your emotions. You have to bear it. Yeah, I will tell you when to call or when to not. So are you working now? Yes. Then bye. We'll call later. She nodded and then cut the call. Started arranging this throat. She got to work there as a beginner. While on the other end, he was smiling, sitting wrongly. He was thinking about her. Suddenly, Harry came and looked at him. Django didn't know him. Django, he looked at him. What are you thinking about? Why are you smiling? Diego smiled. Mom, what are you thinking about? We see. I'm not thinking about anyone. I was just happy. Ada and man was going back to her apartment. Suddenly she felt someone's presence. She turned around, smiled and she didn't look back. He started to walk past her heart beating but then a man passed by. She looked at him and he was just a stranger. She came into her bed and apartment and laid down. She was tired and so sleepy, all that she tried not to think about him. And the other thing that would give her so much depression. She followed Tito's advice to work more and busy work and got busy as she was tired. He came and stared at her. She was still there, but he felt his smile, but his face fell after seeing. She appraised her and she had eye plans. She remembered that one was considered to be the most beautiful girl in the school. When Kenta really made it her, Chunka got worried after seeing her. The next morning, right after her eyes and sat down, she slept so peacefully. She woke up restfully. She got up after feeling good, and after a year, she felt good. She got up and walked, but she stopped after seeing her letter. The governor and grabbed it. It was a prank. So she put it back. The letter was a prank. After a week, Kenta was walking towards his house, but suddenly he again saw Radman in front, walked towards him. What do you want for environment? He threw him in front of Janko and Kenta was begging him to leave him. He looked up and Janko felt like he was on somewhere. So, Mr. Kenta Mishima, I heard that you have a rich girlfriend. Yeah, why are you asking? I don't even know. What do you want from me? Mina was with me before you. Why are you asking about her? Just tell me. I don't love her. I fell in love with Mina. If you don't love her, then why do you marry her? Because she was rich and then my parents left her because they didn't like me. She left her parents for you and you left her for money. What are you asking about her? Just tell me. Bring him with me. And I said to him how to talk and speak. He nodded and Kenta started bringing him but they brought him with them. Sango felt really bad because he wanted to, but he wanted to feel the same as he made her feel. And about Mina, he wouldn't leave her peacefully. She also would. But he saved her many times and was ordered so much. He knew that she hated him, but he had never stopped showing his love. There were teenagers and his love for her when she had left his school, but he never saw her again. He tried to find her, but after a week, Mina came out smiling and she was looking so happy. She walked towards him and I'm happy to see you wouldn't accept that you would admire me or dinner. Yeah, she said in front of me, so what if who is your new boyfriend? No one, I mean, he's no one I'm using in his website. I'm just to have that with him. Even though I wasn't interested in me. She was so crazy in love with him, so I decided to run in. He wasn't interested in her, but then I made him fall in love with me. Just to watch that crazy woman, I always feel interested after seeing a possessive and loving wife. I mean, they are showing it to the people. He was holding himself as he got up, but where are you going? She asked after he did do that. Who the hell are you? She was trying to figure out. His eyes were turning. He couldn't control himself. He threw her away. She couldn't believe that he did that. But she deserved that. She was with Kenta when he appeared. Fine. She did wrong with that. Man was going towards her apartment peacefully. She did it off with him and it was giving her peace. She was getting better many days of past and she was feeling she didn't think that she could heal so fastly. She was in her mind. She was ready to talk with her therapist, but suddenly Kento came up and started begging her to forgive him. She became afraid and ran from there. Changed apartments and was near. She entered there and Jane looked at her because she was looking so afraid. What happened when she couldn't go up? Someone was into that's so good. She deserved it. She sat down but her body started saying, why are you still getting wet? You thought that is the therapist Jane asked and I nodded. He helped me a lot. I'm getting better after seeing that. After seeing that makes me tremble. Don't worry, give me your telephone. I will call your therapist. She nodded. Why now can you dial the wrong number? This number is literally did you tell him everything? What is his name? His name isn't Jason. He told me that he's a therapist, but the therapist I told you was not Jason. Why don't you ask me again? You put yourself in such a big mention. Just don't talk to me and block him from everyone. Everywhere. And don't worry, he wouldn't disturb you if he didn't want. Why would he? Literally no one. I would ignore him and ran the shadow. After getting no response, they thought that he didn't take it serious. One top the wine turned out he wasn't behind us, so he decided to go back to her apartment. She was walking back confidently. But suddenly she saw a man standing far from her. She stopped after seeing her habit and she didn't have the stamina to walk, but she was seeing him. Yes, do you want to share everything with me? So it was you who was with me on the car. Why did you do that? Why didn't you tell me? Because I wanted you to fall in love with me. Tell me, do you stand with me? Are you crazy? Why would I love you? I don't even like you. Don't touch me. Now listen to me. I won't hurt you. I don't want to. You make me fall in love with you after reading my stories and you are not a good guy because you must want something from me. Yes, I want something from you and that is you. I mean, if you again try to tell me stay away from me, you have to just go. What will you do, huh? I can do what I want. You can run from me. Shut up and get out of my way. Fine, just go with me. I'll give you so many things. Just go. I don't want anything. He couldn't believe that his hands were shivering. She ran out of there out of fear. His cars took him and but Farhad in her apartment. He knew that she did wrong, but she didn't want him to die. She couldn't believe that she did that. She was blaming herself and was reacting. She knew that if he died because of her, she wouldn't forgive herself. Yet she was on the floor and couldn't stop sobbing. She loved her and she wept her tears. If he died, then she also had to die. She was regretting and wanting him not to die. Why all the bad things happening to me? Why did I do wrong? I shouldn't come out of that wrong.